Okay, this is a weather update for the potential snowfall here in southern New England for Saturday. We're looking at the water vapor imagery, and we can see the subtropical jet really starting to crank up across Mexico and into Texas right now. That's all due to a area of upper level low pressure spinning over southern California right now. That's a subtropical jet will help build a low pressure system that will develop off the Rockies, and that will eventually make its way up to New England, potentially developing a coastal low for Saturday night into Sunday that will bring some wintry precipitation into the region. So moving on to some interesting graphics here. This is the GFS model for Saturday afternoon, and we can see Arctic high pressure in place up to the north, very cold temperatures across Canada, and mixed with the warm air to the south there, that's developing what we call a baroclinic zone across the northern half of the United States, and that's an area that's ripe for low pressure development due to that. So we'll have to watch that as we go into Saturday. And then on Sunday night, here's the jet stream, that subtropical jet moving across the southern portion of the United States, and right where that jet ends off the Jersey coast is another area of prime development for low pressure, so we'll have to watch that as we go into Sunday. Low pressure looking to redevelop off the Jersey coast for Sunday, which could cause, again, problems for southern New England weather-wise. And then looking at it, it looks like we're going to see snow through much of Saturday and into Sunday night, and then a change over to just a wintry mix across the interior of Connecticut and all rain along the shoreline. And some of that heavier snowfall could be in portions of northern Connecticut as we look at, this is upper level energy in the mid-levels of the atmosphere on Sunday late night right now, and you can see there's a little area up in the northwestern Connecticut. That is an area of upper level energy that could provide some banding across northwestern Connecticut and into central Massachusetts. And then again, later, a few hours later, we can see another little bit of energy moving into portions of Connecticut. And right on the edge of that is the Connecticut-Massachusetts border, and that's where we could see some heavier snowfalls on Sunday night. So let's go to the forecast for the event itself. And 2 p.m. on Saturday, some snow already in New York City and Poughkeepsie. Lighter snow then starting to develop across portions of central Connecticut there, and some light snows into New London. But far east, northeastern Connecticut right now will probably see just a few flakes starting about 2 p.m. on Saturday. Now moving on to 8 p.m. on Saturday, everybody will be in snow. Connecticut River Valley, Naugatuck Valley, even on the shoreline, expect snow. Light to moderate at times, a little bit. So everybody's getting the snow, maybe a little bit lighter up in east-northeastern Connecticut along the 84 corridor there. On 2 a.m. on Sunday, though, in those areas I highlighted on the upper-level maps, heavy snowfall expected in northwestern Connecticut, up in Springfield, and in northeastern Connecticut. Starting to mix with some wintry precipitation in Hartford, Portland. That area could see some sleet and freezing rain mixing in on 2 a.m. Sunday. Naugatuck Valley should still see some snow, same as Poughkeepsie. But by that time, along the shoreline and into New York City, expect a all-rain event for the shoreline by 2 a.m. on Sunday. Then as the storm passes at 8 a.m. on Sunday, expect still some rainfall across the shoreline, maybe some sleet mixing in New Haven as that colder air works in on the backside of the storm. But just some light snow, light flurries by 8 a.m. on Sunday for the northern half of Connecticut and into western Massachusetts. And all that precipitation should really come to an end by in the early afternoon on Sunday. Totals for the storm from 12 p.m. Saturday through 12 p.m. Sunday, going for 8 to 12 inches. Connecticut border with Massachusetts area, Springfield in there, Enfield in there, Winchester in there, Cornwall in there, then up into the Berkshires. Could see a decent amount of snowfall from this storm. Not very heavy at times, but it's a prolonged storm, so this will total up for them. 4 to 8 inches across the middle third of the state of Connecticut, so Hartford, Hampton, Portland, Waterbury, in that area there. Some of the higher elevations in that swath there could get up to 8 inches. Mixing with sleet and freezing rain across some of the lower land in that area, and then 2 to 4 inches along the shoreline with rain mixing in by midnight on Sunday.